Hi, welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovations. Coming to you today from inside the trunk of the Mark VIII. I was cleaning it out and I thought maybe I should show some of you enthusiasts this dissection of the amp wiring kit that I did back this past summer. Now, when I bought the car, I'd turn on the radio and there would be this popping sound, pop, 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 pop. And it wasn't the radio, it was actually the amp that was shorted out. And I looked and looked and looked, and there is no bypass to go where you can disconnect the amp and hook the wires, the outputs and the inputs straight together. So I had to send back some leads from the radio to the trunk, and then I had to figure out which wires control the speakers. So while I was cleaning the trunk out, I figured I would show you guys and take some of the headache out of that. So stick around, let's see what I'm doing. Now these are my 4 leads from my tuner up front. And so I'm just going to show you. This is the left front, and that is orange with the green stripe and blue with the white stripe. Now the positive is this white stripe here, and that goes to the blue. Next, right front. The positive is going to be this white wire with the light green stripe. The negative is this green wire with the orange stripe. Okay, here we go with the left rear. Sorry it's shaky, it's not real big back here. All right, the positive lead is this pink with the blue stripe, but also this brown with the yellow stripe. So see, that's the left rear. So the negative is this green with the gray stripe, and also gray with the blue stripe. And the right rear positive hooks to this orange with the red stripe and brown with the pink stripe. The negative right here is the white with the purple stripe and black with the green stripe. Now this is the loom, and you'll see that there are some wires that aren't used, and those may be coming from, I don't know if it's the CD changer or the cell phone setup that may have come in these cars. This one didn't have a cell phone. And then there's also this other loom that is not used that attached to the amp as well. But hopefully this will help you put you a new head unit in. Now you will have to run 4 leads to the back and hook them in manually, but all of the speakers work in the correct spots in the car. The tweeters in the door, and the 6x8s in the door, and the 6x8s in the back, they all work. So I hope this helps relieve some of the headache that you may be facing or thought you were going to face whenever you were going to put in a new radio, but your amp is bad. There is a way. It's a little uncomfortable to have to lay in the trunk to do it, but it can be done, and you can be rocking out. So I hope this video helps. And look what was in the trunk. How many of you have seen them before? I know I haven't. But Mark VIII mud flaps. Interesting. Take care, and if your wrench doesn't work, use a hammer.